Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, skilla. Wow, people, Dancehall skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and everyone. You see? Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a motor vehicle that somehow stopped in the middle of a road and someone was inside of the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. Now, it is believed that the person fell asleep around the steering wheel of the motor vehicle. It is also believed that the person fell asleep while driving the motor vehicle. My people, I want you to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think. And if you look and listen carefully to the video, you might get a good understanding as to where the video will be recorded. I don't know when the video will be recorded, alright? Here's the video. Look, listen and observe.
Hello, watch this man here now. In the middle of the highway by Maloney. Park up in the middle of the road. Watch this.
What that's in our position, what?
Middle of the highway. Sleeping. Watch this man. So Trinidad is not a real place now. Middle of the highway.
Notice said Trinidad.
Watch.
Just not know exactly where in Trinidad.
No matter how I try to wake him up, he ain't waking up. Oi! 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 In the middle of the highway now? Huh? Go beard. Go what?
Hey, that's not a joking situation still. No, joking situation, you know. But you know, I look on the video and I can't help but wonder certain things. So I notice me see something in possession, so I wonder if I eat something. You see what I say? I wonder if him have anything to do with drinking either. I start to wonder all kind of things, viewers and subscribers. So I say, if I hear about this thing what they call name-the-itis, some Jamaicans say niggeritis. You see what I say? Yeah, but you what now still, my people. See? And I real though. That dangerous. And big up and respect to the person who made the video, but in my point of view, I see a certain amount of faults. Yeah, man, because see, the person who made the video, in my point of view, that person should never go in front of the motor vehicle, not at all. I mean, what if the person just somehow jump up out and sleep and goes and press gas while the person in front of the motor vehicle? How that will work out? So, I talk about, so that's why I say certain things. See, but on a real though, if you're driving a motor vehicle and you feel sleepy or you feel like you can't manage for wherever you want to go, if you don't have somebody else who have a driver's license to drive the type of motor vehicle that you're driving, then my best guess is that you should go to the nearest police station. I wouldn't advise you to park up anywhere because to the world around, me not think it's safe. You see me? Notice that the person in the motor vehicle, the windows are at least one of the windows them they're down, you see me? But the thing is that I wouldn't advise nobody to just park up anywhere and just sleep, just so. You know, so me I think that the best place would be is to the closest police station that you can find. And you go there and make the police them know, say, hey, I feel tired, like I want to sleep, I not drive no more, so and so and so, I can't sleep here. You know what I mean? Yeah, and in my point of view, I think that the police them should, and they probably would, which I think they would, say, okay, sleep there. Maybe they want to search you because what if the police don't trust you? So I say, yes, if they want to search you, I search motor vehicle, fine, you know. Yeah, but they say if you want to sleep with people and you know say you have a long journey to drive, you better you all sleep wherever you're at first. And if you're along the way and you want to sleep, then the nearest police station, I think. I don't think it would be best for you to park up anywhere on the road and just sleep. That dangerous. Yeah, man, amount of things and criminals and that kind of thing will go on. Alright, but the people, you can let me know what I think. I'm going to move on to another topic, and I think that this topic is an interesting topic too. Alright? Now, I got information that a man from Pennsylvania, United States of America, was arrested by the police for allegedly trying to buy stolen human body parts or stolen human remains. See? It is said that the man goes by the name of Jeremy Parley. It is said that he is a 40-year-old viewers and subscribers, and it is said that human remains or body parts was found at his home. Now, one news article that I read said that a Pennsylvania man has been charged with abuse of a corpse, receiving stolen property, and other charges as well by the police. Police say that the man allegedly tried to buy human remains or human body parts from a female who worked at a mortuary. And it is believed that the man might have the intention to sell those human remains or human body parts on social media like Facebook. Now, when I say mortuary, viewers and subscribers, I'm talking about the kind of place where bodies are stored until those bodies are ready to be buried, or they are stored there for certain things like maybe testing or so forth. You understand me? Yeah, mortuary me I talk about, see? So, it is said that he allegedly tried to buy stolen human body parts from the mortuary worker. It is said that a representative of the mortuary hang up on a reporter who tried to reach out for comments or a comment on Thursday. And this is according to a news article that I'm looking at. Yes, I have viewers and subscribers. See, so it is said that a spokesman who goes by a certain name said that the officer was aware of the Pennsylvania incident but will not comment on ongoing investigation. No charges had been filed as of Thursday against the Arkansas woman, that's the mortuary worker. You see me? So it is said that police in Pennsylvania announced the arrest of and charges against 40-year-old Jeremy Lee Parley of Enola, Pennsylvania. Parley had been arrested on July 22nd and had an initial court appearance on Thursday. See? Now, based on this news article, viewers and subscribers, as I say, Thursday would be the 18th of August, the year 2022, don't it? See it? Yeah, so my people, another part of this news article said that Parley was released on $50,000 bond. That sound like bail, and the same news article said that that's according to court records, viewers and subscribers. See? Now listen this now. Another part of this news article also said that police said that Parley, who described himself as a collector of what he called oddities, including human body parts, said that the remains were acquired legally when first contacted by police. Yeah, them same thing, my people. What somebody do with human remains, really and truly? You know what I mean? Yeah, when we hear about scientists and so forth, that's a whole different thing. You know, maybe scientists do certain things for research and so forth, which I still don't find good. You know what I mean? Me not think that is good anyways. But just a normal person in society, you know, now nothing to do with medical research or scientists or so forth, and then somehow have human remains in your possession. I mean, what that tell you? That not so unsafe, my people. That not so unsafe. Me what they are, so if me see certain things they come like me want, so me I say so much less. So me I say sometimes me wonder what would happen if me decide to be some form of a doctor, like a surgeon or so forth. So me I say what would happen? Would I be able to pass all the tests? And this person who goes by the name of Jeremy Parley. Well, a person is innocent until proven guilty. You see me I say when it comes down to the courthouse system, most likely them are gonna say, oh, he had been accused and he had been accused and so forth. So I'm gonna see how this whole thing turn out, the people, if me can get more information about this whole situation. Alright? Yeah, anyways, I have some y'all left it to my people. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla.